Hello guys, so in this video we're going to see how to launch AWS instance in Putty. So to do that we have to install Putty first. So for that we need to type puttygen and Putty server download for free. Once you press this all these alphabets and you can see the first link, click the first link and scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see this option install the putty. Click this and again scroll down. You can see the OS which you have so far. So you can see 32-bit for Windows, 32-bit for 64-bit for Windows. So I have already downloaded for 64-bit. So if you want to download 32-bit means you can click this first option. So I have already downloaded this. So I'm going to open AWS. Go to the second option. So I'm going to find the console. So click this button. Once you click on, you can see the console changed and go to EC2. So which is useful to create an instance and other things. So now you can see there is no running instances and I have already created an instance but that is not running now. So I'm going to create an instance. So if you want to see all which of the options are running means you can click this option to ensure that. So EC2 dashboard is used for that. Click the instance option. And if you want to create a new instance means you need to click this button launch instances. Once you click on, you can see the OS which you want. So you can select free tier only. So if you select this means you can see all the free tier options. So I'll go with this. So Amazon, so click on select. Then after you don't need to do anything here because already you can see the free tier or eligible option is selected defaultly. And click to next option. And here also you don't need to do anything. So click next add storage. Yeah, nothing here. Do nothing here and next click add packs. You need to add packs. I'm going to add something which is filled and you can type any of the value 678. You can type any of the value like 9, 7. It's your choice. And next click configure. Once you all done, click on this review and launch button and launch again. So here I'm going to create a new key value. For that you need to click a new type for that also. So I'm going to type hat. Once you type like this, click on download key option. So here you can see the download the file is downloading and go to the launch instance option. So here you can see now your instances are now launching. So to ensure either your instances is created or not, go to this AWS and again go to EC2. And I already told you if you click this EC2 button, you can see which of the option is running. Now you can see none of the instances are running. So go to instance again. So here you can see our new created instances is running. So refresh this again. So you need to refresh again until the status is successfully created. So click refresh this again. Okay, not at all a problem. So here click this button and scroll up this, and you need to copy this address, public IPv4 address. So you need to copy this. Yeah, that's now is copied. So what you need to do is go to Putty Gen. So that option is useful to you to create a key. Okay, so go to Putty Gen. Yeah. So now we need to load the already downloaded PIN file. So for that, click on this load option and all files, because now our files is PIN file, and click on all files. Our file is stored as hat. I think so, hat.pem. We have already downloaded like that. Now you can see the file is there, hat.pem. Click this and click on open. Yeah, so okay, and save private key. You need to click private key, not public key. Okay, save private key. Click on S again. So I'm giving some name like hat1. So I'm saving this file in downloads file. So save this. Yeah, now it's saved, and go to Putty. Not about Putty Gen. Putty Gen is different software. Putty is a different software. Okay, so what we need to do here is, so here I told you to copy this address, right? So copy this address and just paste this address here. So that's it. So after that, so now we are creating an instance for Linux, not at all for Windows. For Windows means we need to click this telnet option, but here our instance is SSH. So enhance this, so enlarge this SSH and go to this authentication. So here what we do is, we already created a private file, right? Here we created, so we need to open the private file here. So browse. So we downloaded that in hat1, right? Hat1 private key we already saved. So click on this and click on open, and once you all done, click on open. So accept, click on accept, and that's it. So our login ID is EC2 user. Yeah, that's it, our friends. So this is the thing which you need to do for that. Yeah, thank you for your patience. Thank you.